Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through, 'cause every day we pay the price.
So guys, I just got a call from our good friend of the family, Auntie Cherry, and she says she's coming down from Orlando. Auntie Cherry's been in Orlando with her family. They have a ministry there that they really and truly work with, and she's coming down, and she's coming directly here because she has something for me. I am a little bit, I sort of know what it is, but I don't want to say yet until she gets here. And so guys, I have to videotape all of this that's going on so that you know Yardie Belly TV have to share everything with you. So stay tuned. Auntie Cherry is on her way. She's just about here, and we're gonna see what happens next. Remember me tell you. Okay guys, make we say now Auntie Cherry is here, and even though she don't want to go on the camera, that now gonna happen because our house come here to go on camera. She has stopped by to bring some stuff. Yeah, nothing wrong with your mask. You can give her your mask.
Halal chicken.
We have halal chicken. I don't know who name halal.
That's the hormone-free antibiotic, the top of the range.
Okay.
Chicken to make with your bok chow.
Yes, we have bok chow.
Soup. To kick it up, we give some scorpion pepper.
Scorpion pepper from Trinidad, the world's hottest pepper.
And then this is tomatoes from the garden of a forest.
And these are from our garden in Orlando.
And then bird pepper, what we used to call.
Yeah, these are quite hot too. These are quite hot.
Tree.
Nice.
But you, I know you as my son like to experiment. And this is another type of Scotch bonnet.
Oh, this is habanero. This is called habanero.
Okay.
Yes, see the Scotch bonnet there.
Then I have the edible leaf.
What kind of leaf this?
Your auntie will find out the proper name. And
So you just bite it and eat it?
them good, watch here now. Watch me.
Are you serious?
Build the immune system.
So where them leaf you come from?
Out of the garden, the tower garden. My son-in-law have a tower garden.
Oh, okay. This almost one look like bougainvillea.
No, but I'm not.
I know bougainvillea. Alright, that is for try. We have to try this. And then what else you have here now?
This is a piece of steak.
Piece of steak and halal chicken.
And bird.
And this is a bird, a type of bird. We don't know if a pigeon or a fowl. No, not a fowl, but it's a bird.
Right.
Hallelujah.
And to keep my energy going, this is your pineapple recipe.
Okay.
Add some sorrel to it. Your pineapple recipe. But I'm add
The
sorrel.
pineapple iced tea.
The pineapple iced tea. I'm gonna add some sorrel to it and little tubes of you do the ginger, something else marinated. Anyhow, this now is a fresh juice we just make for my journey.
So this is what kind of juice this?
A carrot, orange, pineapple, lemon. And them things they are keeping working on.
I see.
The Ethiopia apple leaf is into your pineapple drink and the ginger and the cassava. Fermenting.
So that is a big thing right there. So.
Right. So I'll give you a little drinks out of it and let me come out for this.
And then the star of the show, guys, we really want to see now is this thing right here. Oh, man, put the bird pepper on one side. This thing right here, guys. Lord help us. So now this is the big thing.
So here in the video the other day when you were talking about the Durian, is something I've experienced when we visited China. So I went to the Asian market to pick up things for the box. And I'm like, whoa, I can't pass this. So I can pick it up just for Reverend Hope. So my ear, my scan this attack session.
So guys, this is Durian. It's spiky.
Really spiky.
It's not as fresh as it would be if you get it directly from over there. But for now, it can work. Let me see if I can get a more. Use one small knife, you know, and try the big knife.
Yeah, not much. It's right in here. So
all right, so this is the thing now, guys. First time we experience this, you notice the door open because this is classified as the world's most smelliest fruit. All right, so this is crazy that we are. What? Close the door. Come on.
No, the green fire, whatever.
Okay. All right. Let me see if I can. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna try to attempt to open it. It seems like it's ripe, you know, Auntie Cherry. All right. So guys, you just wanna open it like such. And there's a natural groove inside of it that once you get past the groove, it's supposed to be able to open it correctly.
It looks like you used this thing before, Reverend. And it's frozen right now.
Okay.
I just bought it.
Alright, pass the next hand towel then, let me see if I can split it. Normally they use gloves.
The other one.
Because it's really spiky. Yeah, it's probably still have. Alright, let me come again.
Because it's frozen, why can't you?
Yeah, but this helps to make the spike, the frozenness.
Wait, hold on, Auntie Cherry. Rip it up.
That's the girl.
And there is the durian right there. This is the flesh.
Here. And it tastes like ice cream.
Me sort of smell it. Hold on, we have to wait a little bit. Yeah.
For what?
Me smell it.
But it's not bad.
But it's not bad. Yeah.
And take a look now. Come, 1, 2, 3.
Take a picture, see.
Cheers, my son.
Alright.
Cheers.
Alright, so this is my first time
we're gonna eat.
Gonna taste durian.
It's good, not true.
No, man!
We're not sharing.
No.
Don't like
No.
it, Candy.
No, Candy.
Candy don't like it.
Leave me alone.
Guys, let me tell you, no.
Don't explain that. No. It's
No.
only 3 pots.
Alright, so the pot is 3. Alright, you can smell it. You can smell a little pungent. It smells almost like old socks. You smell it? That little smell it?
Candy taste
But I promise you guys, don't make the same trick you.
Taste it.
So this is the flesh part right here. Show this. You know, this is the flesh, and as you can see, our one's a little bit frozen, so you know
But
it's
like
good.
ice cream now.
All right. And then you just open it up and you get the, you know, it comes in different pad size. But guys,
Jackfruit.
Would you say it's nicer than jackfruit?
no,
Yeah,
yes.
Yes. I
Yes.
promise
Yes?
you, Candy.
See, wait. I gotta see your reaction. I got to see your reaction. Hold on.
It smells awful. Why so much?
Come.
Just try it.
But Candy.
You don't like it?
You stay too bad.
Are you serious that you don't like
It's alright. We don't want her like it. Candy.
Go get
Alright,
Joshua.
wait,
Go
no,
get
no,
Joshua.
No, Mike and Luke, 1 second.
Go ahead, Joshua.
Come here quickly.
Guys, I promise you, it's sweet, it's creamy, and it's really nice. You don't like it? Joshua, come here.
What
It
is that?
almost tastes like
What is that, Luke? You remember China? Durian?
Give me the fat seed.
Wait.
Micah, you like this, right?
yeah.
Joshua, come try this. Joshua, you have to try this.
It's ready.
Tastes like sweet stuff-ish.
It's that what I tell you. Here. Go and look it. Joshua come.
Here, Josh. Wait, don't try it yet. Till I
Get
tell
the
you.
tree up there. Wait, get the tree up there.
What do you mean, bro? Come on,
Get
Joshua.
the tree, man. Wait.
All right. See, Joshua started say bro already.
Alright, go on the tree, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man, just put name out.
Ready, guys? That's how we eat durian.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
All right, now tell me how it tastes. It's good, right?
Yeah.
It's good, right? Joshua, how it tastes? How it tastes, Joshua? Come on, let me. You not swallow it, you have it in your mouth. Come on, true virgin.
Would you eat another piece?
I love it.
Ask them the question.
You're so good.
Don't it taste good?
It tastes sweet, but weird sweet.
It tastes sweet, but a weird sweet, almost like jackfruit. Honestly, it's come like jackfruit. You know.
So this are you.
I am 100% happy with it. No, we have to cut piece, make Mike and them get piece.
No, this is good enough for us. We have enough mango. What Joshua do for us is more than blessing. Give
For
me a
real?
piece of paper. Yeah, man, don't it? That we can buy this up so again. No, Philip, enjoy it, man. Make it thaw out and do your thing to get the...
But, guys, it smell like old socks, though, you know.
So is it healthy? What is it good
Very
for?
healthy, Philip. I'm going to give me some recipe from it now. Alright, let me deal with Joshua and get out of here.
I've always seen the guys on Mark Wiens
Oh,
and
really?
Trevor James and
I
them people
never
that eat
seen
this,
them.
and I've always said I want to try it. I can't believe you guys not tasting it.
It's
really
really
good.
good. Like it is like we don't want everybody like mango.
Isn't it good?
They love it. They bake it. You want another little piece?
The bake it?
In China.
Oh.
Are you serious?
Ask them to can the big piece.
You don't want as much.
No, it's Philippine.
Why?
They're Indian.
I just tasted a while ago.
They're not Indian. Give them a candy.
No, man. It's
But
good.
why them make it look like it's so horrible?
Who make it? No, God make it.
No, I mean, no, I'm saying why people make it look like it's so horrible. Like the taste.
Because-
It's not horrible, but
You have the pancake? You're not
on your share.
the taste, well, the people never have a problem with the taste. I think most people, is either you're gonna really, really love it or you're gonna hate it because of the smell. That's the main thing. All right, but I love it. It is really good. It is super delicious. Durian. I have to try open it. So Auntie Cherry never stayed with us too long. She just come, drop off the durian and the little stuff. We build a little vibes and then she was on her way again. Thank her so much for what she gave me. Now we can get into it. Aha! So guys, I'm trying to cut open the durian. And here's another section of it. And this is the durian right here. This is the flesh that we're gonna eat. And guys, guys, it is not super duper as bad as they said. It is, you smell it, yeah, but it's not as super duper bad as was said, you know. And see it here. And again, this is frozen, you know, but you just, and it's so sweet. It's sweet and tastes almost like a custard. And it have a little slight tinge of like onion, you know. But me just go pull it out and put in a container, make it thaw out nicely.
How is that a good thing though? If it have a slight taste of onion.
It's like in between sweet and savory. It's just really good to me, you know. And that's what I like about Auntie Cherry.
I still prefer jackfruit.
You still prefer jackfruit?
Yeah, by far.
But again, guys, it's a privilege to get to sample. Look at that. It looks quite creamy.
This is almost a bucket list for him because this is a big deal.
It is a big deal.
Big deal.
You know?
He's been wanting to try durian for years. So.
Yeah, man. I'm on there anymore in here, so.
Maybe.
Not a cross section. I'm going to go on panga with it until we find it. Alright, the next thing I wanted to elaborate on is these flowers. You have to try the flowers.
No, you have to try it.
I can't believe you guys. These are edible flowers.
Which book got right to tell you which flowers edible and which one never edible?
People try them. Remember watch it.
Okay.
Remember watch it.
Why them never try the other ones?
I then try everything and the one when I kill them edible.
Okay.
Alright, so edible leaves, edible flowers, alright? Oh, this is good. This is almost like watercress with a sharp, peppery undertone. Oh wow. Oh wow. It is.
It's doing other stuff afterward.
Mm-hmm. It's very, very peppery. Very
You
peppery.
smell it.
And then the
You're gonna eat the whole thing. That's sweet.
nice and sweet and fresh with the undertone of pepper.
Again?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try this.
So what are you gonna do with these?
Make salad with them. Wow. Peppery. But then the peppery, it's not, let me tell you what it come like. It come like wasabi. You know wasabi go up near your nose type of vibe? I think that's exactly what wasabi. You wanna try it, Josh? Wanna try a leaf? Josh the
Ladies
food
and
lover.
gentlemen, Josh the food lover.
Go rinse off a leaf and try it. Come on, son.
He's so handsome. Why is he so handsome?
That's how you boots him up and try it. Ooh, look at he handsome and then him take the boots in.
You like pepper, so you will like it.
Oh, it is. It is.
Oh boy!
Yep.
So what else wants to
Ooh, see. Ooh. Ooh. Look.
It's spicy.
More.
more?
It's so spicy.
Well, if we're not complaining, we'll definitely know say it's not the thing for me.
It's
Ooh.
like 3 seconds spicy.
Yeah, this really look like ice cream scoops though, like a scoop of ice cream.
It's not that bad. Me
All
no
you need
know.
now is an ice cream cone and you're good.
Me no know if it did that bad. You know, the durian. I don't think it
Because
was.
it got frozen. Oh, you mean even if it wasn't frozen?
Yeah. You know? Maybe there are others that smell worse, but for this one, it wasn't that bad. Alright.
It's staining, right?
No, not really. So guys, here is my durian. And I am just so super duper stoked. I'm gonna allow it to go down to room temperature so we can eat it. And then
So this is all?
yeah. This is all, and except the other piece that
No.
that Auntie Cherry took.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's it. I know. And guys, as I said, it smells so strong in its fresh stage that people decide to not have it in buildings and stuff like that. You can't eat it in buildings. So yeah, that's it. Durian. All right, I'm gonna try it a little bit from now. And hey, so see you now tried the plant. Wow.
No, I can't manage the pepper.
I'm just so hurt right now. You could have well undo the plant. I tell you, it's worth it to try and experience it. So I convinced her. I convinced her to try it.
It's peppery already. But at first when you bite it, it
Just
tastes
put
like
it in your mouth. Trust me. Just put it in
I
your
want
mouth.
to savor it.
No, if you savor it, you're not going to eat it.
First, it's a little bit tangy. Then sweet. Then peppery. What is this? Leave people live on the tree where they belong. Rather.
I just wanted to present the durian. Try and make it look nice with my edible plants. And guys, this is what it's about. You know, you can't go outside, go have adventure, have it in your home. Yeah. Look on the durian, man. Look how it look decent and delicious. And I'm not telling you, I don't smell nothing right now. I don't smell a thing. So I would not say my taste buds is gone or my sense of smell. Because next thing I hear, I have coronavirus. But it not smell that bad. Yep. Maybe it's because it's frozen, you know. It go through the freezing process. But guys, I'm just so excited. I am happy as a lark. Can't wait to dig into this one. Look at man, so pretty. And these are my pepper collection that I just got from Auntie Cherry. So I have bird pepper there, the ones that we used to call Christmas tree or Christmas light peppers. I have some habaneros. I have one Scotch bonnet pepper, because you know we can't leave out the Scotch bonnet, right? Yeah, it have to in there. I have some tomatoes because it look good, and then I have scorpion peppers from Trinidad. Yeah. Pepper is nice. Alright. 1 hour later. Now that my durian is thawed out, is a whole different kettle of fish. The scent is way stronger, much more mustier. It smells like rotten socks, like rotten onion, like garlic. Guys, I have to carry it outside to really taste it and see if I can actually stomach it outside when it is in this frozen, this fresh stage now. Let's see what happens. Lord have mercy. Wow. Strong bad. Strong bad. This is the Durian. Oh God. Wow. No, sir. Trust me. Wow. This one, take the cake. Now tell you from now. I'm telling you guys from now. There's 3 pieces in the container, and I only ate 1. I'm gonna try to make something with the other one. I know I'm gonna try to make something with it. Wow, fellas, Durian is no joke. It tastes like when onion going bad. It's between onion and garlic and cream. Yeah. But now waste it though. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna make sure I have it. I cannot afford to waste it because I know it took effort for Auntie Cherry to get it for me. It's just, yeah, really harsh. But it not taste bad. It's sweet. It's really nice. It's really good. I'm gonna continue to try and eat more. Yeah. That's how it is when you want to be true to your craft. Yeah, and it's very good for you. Very good for you. I'm gonna list some of the goodness of it later on. The next piece here. Durian. was more tolerable when it frozen. When not frozen, hard to eat. Stink, man. Stink bad, me I tell you, stink. Smell like rotten socks. Nossa. Whoa. Safely to say, I have tried it and it is tolerable. My family, guys, literally put me out of the house. They can't eat it inside. And the truth is, it stink. It really stink. It smells like 10 days cabbage water. The taste is tolerable if you never could have smelled it. But when you put it near your nose, woo! I can't understand how I see like guys on TV like Mark Weens and Trevor James and them other big food vloggers. Them eat it like I know nothing. Them just like, ooh, it's so nice. It's not nice. Well, it's tolerable. That's my experience. Let me tell you something. Life is about experiencing new things, experiencing different things, stepping out of the box and learning to... It's one life. It's one life. You have to take the good with the bad. And if you never experienced the bad, you're not going to know what's really good. Life is about good and bad. And extremely bad teaches you to appreciate extremely good. The Durian it was okay. This last piece that I have here, I'm definitely gonna try to make something with it before I throw it out. I don't want to throw it out. I'm gonna try, maybe blend it up with something to make a custard or something. I'm gonna see what happens. Hey, nothing better feel about a try, right? So me said too. So that was my experience tasting the world's smelliest fruit. A very good fruit, irrespective of the fact that it has that very strong rotten sewage, oniony, skunk smell. Guys, it is very good in vitamins and minerals. It has vitamin B, vitamin C. It has healthy plant compounds and healthy fat. And even though it stinks, it is very, very good, guys. It also helps to reduce cancer. It helps to prevent heart disease. It helps to fight the infection, diseases and viruses. It lowers blood sugar. And guys, it is super duper healthy otherwise from the smell. I am happy I got to try it, my first experience, and I'm happy that I got to experience it. Thanks to Auntie Cherry for passing through and blessing me with this durian. Guys, just watch and share and subscribe, yeah? And let me know in the comments whether or not you will try durian in your neck of the woods. Yardie Belly says peace and love and blessings, yeah?